Hello beauties, you are welcome to GLOWRITE Beauty World and Skincare channel. If you are new to our channel, you are very much welcome. This channel is all about skincare, how to formulate effective skincare products that are 100% organic and chemical free. Here on this channel, we also share skincare tips to help you to achieve a flawless and even toned complexion. So in today's video, I'll be taking you through the essential and basic skincare equipment for beginners. If you're just new to the skincare world and you want to start formulating and producing skincare products from your home, or you just want to start a skincare line, this video will actually help you to get started so that you can start formulating like a pro. Even if you have the idea or the knowledge already, you can still gain something from this video. So if this sounds very interesting to you and you want to see more of contents like this, please subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification bell so that you will get notified each time we upload new video. You can also interact with us below the comment section. Thank you. So without wasting much of your time, I will start mentioning what you'll be needing first. And this is not just a random list, so you need to jot down some items. You get it? Yeah, good. So let's get started. So the first equipment that you need is a table or a workspace. You need to choose rightly in terms of where you are going to be formulating. Is very important. If you have a table or you have a clean workspace where you can be formulating and where you can be producing your ingredients, is very okay. You need to work in an area where, if you are working from home, you need to work in an area that is not easily disturbed by anybody. It's totally meant for your work. You get what I'm saying? You need to figure out a place that you have to always go to when it comes to skincare, because you need to be 100% careful when it comes to your skin. So you don't need to work in a place that is very dirty or is just so unorganized or unkept. You need to determine where exactly the corner you need to be comfortable in when it comes to producing skincare products. You don't need to formulate on the ground. You don't need to formulate on top of a kitchen cabinet. You need a table or you need a workspace that you can always go to when it comes to formulating skincare products. So this table is very useful in terms of mixing your ingredients. This is where you'll be keeping your skincare products and ingredients when you are formulating, and you must make sure that it's always completely clean and germ free. And another equipment that you'll be needing is a stainless steel mixing bowl. This is where you'll be adding and mixing all your ingredients when you are making a product. These stainless steel mixing bowls comes in different sizes to suit any part size or quantity that you are formulating. Please do not use plastics. Plastics tend to cause chemical reactions. So another alternative to steel is glass. So you can use a glass mixing bowl to mix your products. So you'll be needing measuring spoons and measuring cups. They are used for measuring liquids or dry ingredients. You can use it to measure, you can use them to measure out your powders or your oils when you are formulating a product. You also be needing measuring beakers or measuring jugs. Measuring beakers are tools that are used to measure out the volume of liquids. They have measurement lines that helps you to accurately measure out quantities of ingredient that you are using when you are making a product. You'll be needing a spatula or a silicone spatula. A silicone spatula is very good, it's durable, and it can withstand heat, unlike the plastic spatula that can melt off. A spatula is used for stirring ingredients when you are making lotion, oils, and body butter. On the other hand, A wooden spatula is good if you're trying to stir a semi-solid product. So in that situation, the silicone spatula won't be helpful. You'll be needing a digital scale that measures from 1 gram to 10 kg. There are good digital scales in the market that you can start with. The next equipment that you'll be adding to your list is the stick blender. This is for creating emulsions, that is the lotions and the cream. You also be needing an electric hand whisk. This is for whipping your body butter. This is a crock pot. A crock pot is a professional and a safe way of double boiling. It heats your ingredients safely without burning out the nutrients. This is a thermometer. A thermometer is used to check the temperature of your heated product. So the next equipment that you'll be needing is the pH tester. There are two types of pH testers. There is a pH meter and there is also a pH stripes. pH stripes are very easy to use than the pH meter. pH testers are used for testing the pH level of your already made emulsion products. Another equipment that you'll be adding to your list is a protective hand glove. Protective hand glove is very necessary to protect you and your products against bacteria. You'll be needing 99% alcohol. This is for sanitizing your hands, your equipment, your workspace before formulating a product, and this will help to avoid bacteria from infecting your products. You also be needing some storage containers. Storage containers are where you'll be storing your already made products, your finished products. So you'll be needing a big airtight storage box. This storage box is where you'll be storing all your skincare equipment when you're just starting out, and it has to be very clean. You also be needing a towel because in between formulations you might be needing to clean your hands, or there might be an oil spill or water spill on the table and you need to wipe it out. So you need to make sure that it's always clean at all times. You also be needing a filter. Filter is necessary because sometimes you need to filter some solid particles in your liquid. So another equipment that you'll be needing is a funnel. You'll be needing like about 3 different types of funnels to start with, and the funnel is very important to have because it helps you to fill in your already made products into a storage container or a packaging container. So but as you advance in the skincare world, it's advisable for you to please invest in a good filling machine. This filling machine helps to fill in your products much more, like 5 times faster than a funnel. So as you advance in the skincare world, it's advisable for you to please invest in these filling machines. They are not cheap machines, okay? So beauties, if you already have all these equipment, then you are ready to start formulating and producing skincare products. Remember that it's not all about gathering all these equipments. The most important thing is to make sure that you formulate effective products that will actually work, because this skincare industry is a very competitive business and you need to be always on top of your game by producing effective skincare products that actually works. A lot of you has been asking about our skincare training ebook. This is to let you know that it's currently available. It is an advanced training ebook with over 200 effective recipes. Try and get it and it will help you. So if you like contents like this and you would like to see more of these, please try and support our channel by subscribing and make sure you turn on the notification bell. This will help you to get notified each time we upload new videos. Like and share this video, and please leave a comment below. You can interact with us there. You can also tell us the type of videos you would like us to make for you. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.